Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Additional Source Income. Today we will talk about cryptocurrency. Make sure to watch until the end as I will go over cryptocurrency and understand how it works. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos. In recent years, cryptocurrency has emerged as a revolutionary force in the digital economy, capturing the attention of investors, tech enthusiasts, and everyday users alike. But what exactly is cryptocurrency? At its core, cryptocurrency is a form of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security, making it nearly impossible to counterfeit or double spend. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology, which ensures transparency and security. The significance of cryptocurrency in today's economy cannot be overstated. It offers a new way to conduct transactions, invest, and even store value, all while bypassing traditional banking systems. As we delve deeper into this topic, we'll explore how cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are reshaping financial landscapes, enabling peer-to-peer transactions, and providing opportunities for financial inclusion in underserved communities. So, whether you're a seasoned investor or just curious about the buzz surrounding digital currencies, stick around. We'll uncover the profound impact of cryptocurrency on our lives and the future of money itself. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is a type of digital currency that exists solely in electronic form, allowing for secure and anonymous transactions over the internet. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on a decentralized network, meaning they are not controlled by any central authority, such as a bank or government. This decentralization is one of the key features that sets cryptocurrencies apart, as it empowers users to have full control over their funds. At the heart of cryptocurrency lies blockchain technology, a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This technology ensures security and transparency, as each transaction is encrypted and linked to the previous one, creating an immutable chain. Once a transaction is added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted, making fraud nearly impossible. Some of the most popular cryptocurrencies include Bitcoin, the first and most well-known digital currency, and Ethereum, which introduced smart contracts that enable complex transactions and applications. Together, these cryptocurrencies are paving the way for a new financial ecosystem, transforming how we think about money and transactions. How cryptocurrency works. Understanding how cryptocurrency works involves diving into the mechanics of transactions and the role of mining. When a user initiates a transaction, it is broadcasted to the network, where it awaits verification. This verification process is crucial, as it ensures that the transaction is legitimate and that the sender has sufficient funds. Transactions are grouped into blocks, which are then added to the blockchain after being validated by network participants. Miners play a vital role in this process. They use powerful computers to solve complex mathematical problems that validate transactions and secure the network. Once a miner successfully solves a problem, they add the new block to the blockchain and are rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency, along with transaction fees. This process not only verifies transactions, but also maintains the integrity of the entire network. To interact with cryptocurrencies, users need digital wallets. These wallets store the public and private keys required to send and receive cryptocurrencies. They come in various forms, including software, hardware, and even paper wallets, ensuring that users can securely manage their digital assets while participating in this innovative financial ecosystem. Benefits of cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency offers several advantages over traditional currencies, making it an appealing option for many users. One of the most significant benefits is the lower transaction fees associated with cryptocurrency transactions. Unlike banks and financial institutions that often charge hefty fees for international transfers, cryptocurrencies typically have minimal fees, allowing users to send money across borders quickly and affordably. Additionally, transactions are processed much faster, often taking just minutes compared to the days it can take for traditional banking systems to complete transfers. Another compelling advantage of cryptocurrency is its potential for investment and wealth generation. Many early adopters of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen substantial returns on their investments, leading to a growing interest in digital assets as a viable investment option. This potential for high returns attracts both seasoned investors and newcomers looking to diversify their portfolios. Moreover, cryptocurrencies provide enhanced privacy and security in transactions. Users can conduct transactions without revealing personal information, reducing the risk of identity theft. The cryptographic nature of blockchain technology ensures that transactions are secure and transparent, giving users peace of mind as they navigate the digital financial landscape. Risks and challenges. While cryptocurrency presents exciting opportunities, it also comes with its share of risks and challenges that potential users and investors should be aware of. One of the most significant concerns is market volatility. The prices of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate dramatically within short periods, leading to substantial gains but also the risk of losing investments. This volatility can be daunting for those who are not prepared for the unpredictable nature of the market. Regulatory challenges also pose a significant hurdle for the cryptocurrency landscape. Governments around the world are still figuring out how to regulate digital currencies, leading to uncertainty regarding legal frameworks. Changes in regulations can impact the value and usability of cryptocurrencies, making it essential for users to stay informed about the evolving legal landscape. Additionally, security risks are a major concern in the cryptocurrency space. Despite the robust security features of blockchain technology, exchanges and wallets can be vulnerable to hacking and scams. Users must take precautions to protect their digital assets, such as using secure wallets and being cautious of phishing attempts. Understanding these risks is crucial for anyone looking to navigate the world of cryptocurrency safely and effectively. Future of cryptocurrency. The future of cryptocurrency is poised for exciting developments and trends that could reshape the financial landscape. One of the most significant possibilities is the potential for mainstream adoption and integration into everyday transactions. As more businesses begin to accept cryptocurrencies as a form of payment, we may see a shift in consumer behavior, with digital currencies becoming a standard part of financial interactions. Emerging technologies like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are also set to play a crucial role in the evolution of the cryptocurrency space. DeFi platforms are revolutionizing traditional financial services by allowing users to lend, borrow, and trade without intermediaries, while NFTs are creating new opportunities for digital ownership and creativity in art, gaming, and beyond. These innovations could attract a broader audience and drive further investment in the cryptocurrency market. However, the role of governments and regulations cannot be overlooked. As authorities worldwide develop frameworks to regulate cryptocurrencies, their decisions will significantly impact the industry's growth and stability. Striking a balance between innovation and regulation will be essential for fostering a secure and thriving cryptocurrency ecosystem in the years to come. Conclusion. In summary, cryptocurrency represents a transformative shift in the way we think about money and transactions. We've explored its definition, the underlying technology of blockchain, and the mechanics of how transactions and mining work. We also discussed the numerous benefits such as lower fees, faster transfers, and enhanced privacy, alongside the risks and challenges, including market volatility and regulatory hurdles. As we look to the future, the potential for mainstream adoption, the rise of innovative technologies like DeFi and NFTs, and the evolving role of governments will shape the cryptocurrency landscape in exciting ways. If you found this video informative, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends who might be interested in learning more about cryptocurrency. Your support helps us create more engaging content. Don't forget to explore our related videos and articles on our website, where you can dive deeper into specific topics and stay updated on the latest trends in the cryptocurrency world. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos from additional source income, money strategies, and much more. Check out my playlist and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.